Are we live? Are we live? Yes, 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 we are live. So, is there anybody in there? One concurrent viewer. Nice. What's up? What's up, one viewer? What would you like to see today? I think I already have something planned that I think we can start off with, but I'm always open to what the janta wants, what the other people want. I'm very I'm very I'm very inclusive that way. All right, starting up the servers, and I need my trusty old Firefox. Hi, Maya. Okay, so I think we already have like a subscription list set up over here, through which we are able to send emails, we are able to verify the user, and we're also able to kind of um, let them unsubscribe from the mailing list. One thing I think we did not do last time was we were not able to we did not basically do this part where if a user has unsubscribed and they're trying to resubscribe, they won't be able to do that. So to do that, what I'll do is I'll just be like this. If I try to resubscribe with an email that is already present, it says we were not able to save your email, which is not the thing that I want. If someone is typing their email again and it already exists, then I should just send them a confirmation email if they have not been confirmed and they are unsubscribed. Otherwise, just be like, we already have you, don't worry. Right, so to do that, I'll go to the subscribers controller. In the create, we already have this add subscriber thing. So what we'll do is let me just see in the console whether or not like searching is case insensitive. So subscriber.where email, it says nothing, found nothing, right? And that's because it needs to be something like this: lower email, so when I lowercase everything, this thing works. So I need to ideally lowercase this as well, so that something like this can also work, right? So before creating, what we'll do is if subscriber dot where subscriber params email lower email is equal to lower string dot first, right? If subscriber is already present, we'll just redirect with, at least for now, we'll just redirect with you're already on the list, right? So what I'll, when I do this again here, there's a problem for some reason, and the problem is I did not return here, so it's redirecting twice. Okay, looks like even that's not the problem. What is the problem? Near here. Oh, yeah. Shobit OP. Okay. So this like if it's already there, we can just redirect. But to do that, I think we need to first check if subscriber. What do I have in subscriber? Do I have any methods? Um, verified, and we just return self dot verified, and currently, you don't need currently subscribed, like self dot unsubscribed, not of subscribed. All right. So if subscriber is verified and subscriber is unsubscribed, we can just redirect with the message saying you're already on the list, and then I think we can just return. Now if subscriber is verified, actually I should not use and I should use double end, so that it looks better. I shall pay. Hi mama. If subscriber is verified and subscriber is if subscriber is subscribed, if subscriber is verified and is not subscribed, means they've unsubscribed. What we'll do is we'll send like a verification, like unsubscription mail. Actually, no, what we should do is I guess then this should be treated as somebody who is trying to resubscribe. So I'm trying to figure out if this resubscription needs to be something like should I just so there are 4 or 5 ways that we can accomplish how to track whether a user has unsubscribed and they're trying to resubscribe. So we have 2 fields right now, which are verified and unsubscribed. So if a user has unsubscribed, we just set the unsubscribed value as true. Don't care about the verified value. So in that case, if someone is putting their email again, we should actually send a verification email and just say that hey, you've been unsubscribed before, and somebody has put in your email again. Do you want to subscribe again? Something like that. Should we just leave this edge case for now? I think what we can do right now is what we'll do is we'll redirect to root with the notice you have unsubscribed from the list earlier. Would you please enter your email again to verify and subscribe? Okay, so what functionality we are going for is if you have unsubscribed and we have your email address, what we'll do is we'll send a verification email and just say that hey, you've unsubscribed, do you want to resubscribe? If you want, just put your email again and we'll resubscribe you, right? And I shouldn't destroy the this thing right now, but what else? What else? Same mail as subscription and then verification again. Same process. So there's no subscription mail as such. It's just the verification email that goes, right? So okay, I guess yeah, that makes sense. So what I'll do is I'll so what I'll do is I'll generate the tokens again. Maybe like subscriber dot generate tokens, right? So what this will do is create a new verification and unsubscription token. Will be like subscriber dot I don't think it's necessary to tell you you were unsubscribed, blah blah. Should be the same process original subscription. That's a fair point actually. Don't know what to do. So the user is already unsubscribed. What we'll do is we'll set unsubscribe is equal to false. We'll set subscriber dot verified is equal to false, right? And we'll be like subscriber dot save. And if we're not able to save, we'll just say we were not able to save your email. I think I'll remove the you have unsubscribed from the list earlier, and what I'll do is we've sent a verification email. Please verify your email address by going to the mail by clicking on the link we have sent you in the mail. And I think I can use this text for this as well, because we have saved your email doesn't really mean shit. And subscriber mailer, something's up. Am I missing some code? The verification mail I have not created, it seems. Your email has been verified. No. Please verify your email. I've created that. Okay, I'm directly using params here, so which is why not the best way to do it, but you know, it still certainly works. And the mail too will be params email. We don't need a greeting. This is the email that we'll send, and with subscriber email and the verification token, we'll verify and deliver later. Please verify your email address by clicking on the link we've sent you in the mail. Blah blah blah. Good. So now if I write showbit at a.com, it says you're already on the list, because you know I'm already on the list, right? So s is equal to this. So the email that I have is verified true and unsubscribed true. So if it's unsubscribed true, if it is unsubscribed, verified and subscribed, is this user verified? S dot verified, yes, and subscribed. Okay, there is no such thing as subscribed, and it's not there because we've added that method later. Subscribed false. So if it is false, why does it say you're already on the list? True and false, they return false. So if it's false, it will not go into the if condition. Weird. I don't even need this if condition. I can just call it unsubscribed false and verified false and just do away with it. And now there's an error, most probably. Unsubscribed, undefined method unsubscribe. Okay, s dot unsubscribe, unsubscribed duh. No method email for nil class. Oh, because there's no add subscriber, so this needs to be subscriber. Please verify your email address by clicking on the link we've sent you in the mail. Very good. And what happens if I click on the link? Smart question. Where does the href end? Okay, sir, I know. Localhost port 4000. Your email has been verified. And now that my email is verified, it says you're already on the list, which is exactly what we want. Okay. So the resubscription flow is working fine. Great. Get status, get diff. Hi Zubot, what's up? If subscriber is equal to subscriber dot where blah blah blah. Yeah, this is all good. I'm changing the redirect text, which is fine. This is also fine. Verified. Yeah, good. Get add dot get commit -m. No. What did I do? Yeah, added the flow for resubscription of an email address. So I pushed it to the git repo as well. All right. So we have a way to, for example, now just do it again. So now another thing that I wanted to do was create, let's say, an admin panel where you can come, sort of log in, and do your random stuff. Oh man, I'm so thirsty today. Wink wink. Okay, what's going on in chat? Nothing. Okay. So we've done subscription, we've done confirmation, unsubscription, and resubscription. Do we have any other flow that's left? Please let me know in the comment if there is a flow that I'm missing. But from what I can think, there is none. Like, there is no other flow which is left. I think, yeah, that's the whole state machine. Okay. All right. So there are like two things that we can pick up today, which is one is user authentication that we have been delaying since ever. The other is site configuration. So the site configuration thing is because it's going to be an open source project which anyone can just deploy. I want people to be able to set various variables so that they can customize it without actually changing code. So for example, if they want to customize the name that shows up here and here, uh, can they add like a site wide name of the app and just move forward with it, right? So I'm trying to figure out, can we do that? I think we can. Or should we add device? I think I've already done device multiple times, so uh, actually, chat, what do you want? Do you want to see how WordPress and everyone else customize their landing pages and things like that, or do you want to see how this sit, like how do we integrate user logins and things like that? Okay, no chat. Like there's no chat, literally no one's typing anything. So I'll move forward with the configuration part of it. So database driven configuration is, I think, what this is called. I just want to see if there is like anything specific in Rails that we can use. Otherwise I will not do that. Rails store configuration in database. I don't know what I'm trying to search. Setting that stores key value parameters. There's a Rails settings cached gem that apparently does this thing. So let's check out that gem. Integrate user login. Okay, fine. I will integrate user login. Sorry, Rails cache. Rails settings crash. They do look good though. Okay. So what we'll do is, as Meha has suggested, that we should integrate user login. So as always, I'm a big fan of device, which is basically for logging in. It's a gem that covers end to end how to build authentication, user authentication, user login, and things like that. It takes care of things like forgot password, and if I want to, let's say, stop a user from logging in and things like that. So I think I'll use that, but before that, I just want to search for Rails admin login gem. Like, is there a gem for just the administrator to log in? Doesn't seem like it. Okay, so I'm going to assume it's not there. So let's just start with device. All right, so the first thing that we need to do for device is for user login. The first thing that I do for device is just do the bundle install although this should be quick because I've done that multiple times now. And I'll just do the Rails generate command for this. In the meanwhile, we'll just restart that. I've added notices and alerts, no need to do that. I've added a root, no need to do that. And do I have a config mailer? I think I do. In development.rb. ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ? Right, so I mean this can be now port 3000, things like that, or 4000, things like that. I am realizing that I said things like that way more than I should. How do I fix that? And things like that. Okay, so we have, I think, like very basic Rails already, device setup done already. What I want is Rails generate device admin. I just want to create an admin user. Actually, not admin. I want an author. Or should I just stick to user? Should it be called an author or a user? Because in the future there might be a case where, you know, an author is not a user. In that case, I think we should use roles. Alright, let's just stick to user. And then there are like helpful authentication things. So I can just go to article controller, and before action I can just be like authenticate user, so that the action is not visible. And I can just add a whitelist that, you know, except the show and index. So these are the things where people read it. These things will be available only to the user who is logging in, otherwise it will not be available to anyone. Okay, so it says that migrations are pending because we have generated a device user. So let's just check out first what is already present in this device user. Right, email, that's what that we need. Recoverable is okay, fine, let's just keep it. Rememberable, okay, fine. Sign in, do I need to track how many times they've signed in, the last sign in IP? कर लेते हैं, why not? Confirmation, I think, yeah, we can have confirmation as well. I've run out of water. Now what? We want lockable. I don't know. I'll add indexes for confirmation though. Okay, fine. DKDC. Don't care. Actually, I do care, but yeah. So I need to include confirmable and trackable. And now I need to migrate the database. Sleep OP. I'm sleepy, man, very sleepy. Damn. Okay, git diff. Do I need to check the diff? I don't really. Git commit git add dot git commit minus m. We have a bunch of things. So what I'll do is I'll just commit with added the user device model git push origin master. Okay, penshake op. What is penshake? And if I try to open the page, it does. Now what I'll do is I'll go to articles also open, testing out the subscription also opens, but if I go to edit, it says no method error in sessions new. There's no session path. And why is that? Because probably in routes we have session path. Yeah, you need to sign in or sign up before continuing. Great. And I don't want just anyone to sign up, right? Or do I? I don't want anyone to sign up. So, you know, registerable and signing up users to registration. Okay, so if I remove registerable, is responsible for everything related to registering a new resource, that is user sign up. So if I remove everything about registerable, I think the user will not be able to register or sign up, right? So if I do this, it says you can't sign up now, like there's no sign up button. Okay, and in fact for now let's just not have the confirmable as well. Just need the trackable, and there's login and everything. Okay, so today it's going to be only pan shake. What's punch? Oh, pan shake. Yuck. Anyway, so today I guess it's going to be only sort of configuring the views for this one. So I'll generate all the views that are present, and Hamel, what I'll run is ERB to Hamel again, so that we can remove the the ERB files that we generated. Okay, and what I need to do is turn the scoped views part on in device.rb. Okay, I've deleted the original ERB files. I have the ones that I needed, and just to check out, you know, what it is doing. So like this page, what I'll do is I'll just write blah, 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 and it shows up, so we are in the right file. So let me just take a cue from show this thing, and very nice, very simple looking stuff, simple looking stuff. Okay, and I'll go to subscriber new because I really like this thing. Sorry. So in the subscriber new, I'll use this, and then the form width is everything's fine. I don't need a form in line, but I need something like Text center? No, I don't need text center, and I don't even need input. Okay, I just need like a row or something. So in fact, article edit was sorry, article form is a better example of what I want. So all the dot fields, you know, they can be form, group. This will be form, control, and this is the nice thing that I like about Bootstrap, that I remember everything, every effing thing. Sleepy OP. I am very sleepy, and don't remind me that I'm sleepy. Why are you guys doing that? Okay, and goodbye. Okay, so we have a login this thing, right? And this is what the login button now, like the login page looks like, and you can have an email and something like that. So what I'll do is I'll go to Rails console, and I'll be like user.new, which is the new user. U is equal to user.new. U email is the email that I'll use to sign up on my own site at my own local address, and the password is going to be something that I'm going to share like this is the first time in my life I'm sharing my password with everyone, so please make sure that it doesn't get leaked or you don't use it. Okay, so it's a very secret password, like you're not supposed to tell it to anyone, so make sure it's like a secret between us, and please don't use it for malicious purposes, otherwise it's going to be a difficult thing for me. Okay, so are you ready to see the password? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We all know what the password is, right? 8. It says signed in successfully, and now again I edit the article and do a bunch of things. So I can just show like this, new article I can open. I can also delete if I want, but I'm not going to do that. But yeah, and why are people sending me messages on Telegram, man? Stop doing that. Okay. Yep, this looks fine. Alright, so we've implemented some form of user logins, but how does a user end up creating that login button for themselves? And we're going to discuss that as well. Before that, let's just see what the difference is there. So I can just be like git add dot git commit -m using the scoped views for device, and remove the registrable and confirmable modules, and I'll push this code to GitHub. Okay, I pushed the code to GitHub. So now we have like a basic what do you call, user login ready. I need to add like a logout button over here if there is a user which is already logged in. So I'll go to navbar, Okay, I don't have a nav bar, so I'll create a nav bar. I'll go to application handle. Yeah, I don't have a nav bar. How nice. I really like the initial part of a project where you don't have basic stuff like a nav bar. So I've added a nav bar here, and I'll just replace this with layouts slash nav bar just to make sure that it works. It does. And yeah, now bootstrap. I need bootstrap. So I have bootstrap here. I'll go to the navbar part, and what I need is like how do I show the links in this fashion. Okay, so for that first I need this collapsible part of it, which is basically a button with like a nice class and a type. And very nice thing that I know in Sublime is this, that I can just do this, and also I can probably do yeah, okay, so everything is looking fine now. And in the span again I'll do this. Great. So this, what this adds is that whenever you are on a mobile site, there's like three buttons, a button with three lines. So if you click, the navbar expands. So this thing basically helps us do that. And then we tell Bootstrap, you know, these are the collapsible parts of the navbar. So collapse these things and then expand them when the button is clicked. And I just need one li, which is to basically link to sign out, and the sign out link where is the sign out path? Okay, I'll have to open routes and then see, do the grep for out. But yeah, it will be like something here, and then the class will be what? Navlink, and this needs to be shown if current user signed in. Alright, so if a current user is signed in, we should show that, which is the destroy user session path. The method on this is delete, I believe. Yep. Current user signed in is not a method. Okay, so no, actually it's if user signed in. Yep. So if user is signed in, we show this thing, otherwise we don't show this thing. Okay, I need to give this the ID as well, and the ID is from here. Okay, I need toggle and not navigation, but it's just toggle navigation. Okay. The navbar nav, this ID comes from there, where we just say the data target navbar nav, and this should then open this. It gives me an option to sign out, And why is it breaking at even such a big thing? Big button is, I don't know why. When does it break? When does it show that toggling thing? I don't know. 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 No, 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 no. It's okay. We'll probably have to come later to it. But yeah, there's a sign out button. If I click on sign out, it says signed out successfully. And if I go and try to find articles, I can still see the articles. If I click on new, we need to sign in, and there you go. We have a very basic user sign in available where only a user can create posts. So just see if you want to see. I don't know. New post by a signed in user. Just a test. I click on save. Article was created successfully because we can, right? All right, so we have a very basic setup present. I can just be like git add dot git commit -m, added a sign out button for signed in users, and then I just push it to master, and there you go. That is it for today's stream. I know I was a little sleepy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, we made quite a progress. We added resubscription, and we've added the user login and authorization. Not really technically authorization, but we've added some form of authorization where only a logged in user can create, delete, or update a post. In the next video, in the next stream, I think what we're going to do is like, don't even show the edit or delete button to a user which is not logged in. Don't even show, let's say, the new article button to a user which is not logged in, which right now they can see, and it's not the best experience. So yeah, I guess that is it for the stream today. I know a lot of you showed up for some reason, which was very nice for me. So please show up next time as well. Just hit that like button and all those shit, subscribe, so that blah 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 blah, you know the drill. But thank you so much. I will see you all next week. Bye bye.